everybody! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. In today's video we're gonna take a look at one very interesting product. That's an iconic face of mine. But this is actually interesting and it's connected to your health directly, and it's a product that basically combines technology with ancient health improving technique. And this is Achedaway Cupper. First, let me explain you what is Cupper and what is cupping. Cupper is a multifunctional dynamic massager which combines advanced technology and traditional medicine. It offers dynamic and red light therapy in once plus smart massage. The innovative combination makes it useful in different conditions like pain, inflammation, blood flow problems, relaxation, and so on. It could be also used with different lotions and herbs for better massage experience. But before we take into the deep about this product, let me explain you a little bit about the cupping and since when it has been used around the world. Cupping has been used as a medical treatment over 5,000 years ago. The first cupping procedure have been done in China and in India, and is also mentioned in their old Asian books, as well as in Egypt and the Arabic Peninsula and the Muslim world overall. There are different types of cupping: dry cupping, wet cupping, hijama, that's the most common used in Islamic Peninsula and the Muslim world today, and fire cupping. In Chinese hospitals, dry cupping has been used and also fire cupping. In the recent years, cupping procedure has been gained popularity again because it has been used by various Olympic athletes around the world and also superstars like Michael Phelps, Alexander Nadur, and many more. How exactly cupping is done? A provider places a cups, which can be bamboo, glass, metal, or plastic or silicone, on your back, stomach, arms, neck, knees, and basically the area that needs healing. Inside the cup, a vacuum or suction force pulls the skin up, which results in higher blood flow, improved oxygen saturation, and many more beneficial effects. The back and the neck are the most common places that cupping has been done because of the big reflexogen zones there. Reflexogen zone basically is connected to the internal organs, which gives extra effects from the cupping procedure. You may ask, what are the benefits of cupping? There are many uses of cupping, but the main benefit is relief in musculoskeletal pain and problems. The factors that are helping to reduce the pain is the blood circulation, which gets increased in the specified area, activation of the immune system, stimulation of mechanical fibers, and overall improved oxygen supply. Plus the extra effects from the reflexogen zones, and there are also necrohormone effects that are very well described in internet because these are the ancient effects that are believed that cupping helps with. Now let's take a look at the product itself and why it's so unique. This is the cupper and the user manual. The user manual is very nicely described. The cupper itself and some extra parts. The product is very simple to use. On top of the product we see the power button, a suction mode indicator, a suction mode control, and a suction movement light that gets turned on when you turn on the product, intensity control here, intensity indicator 5 from the other side, red light control 7. Basically you have 4 buttons in total on top and some indicators, and there is a charging indicator here on the bottom. You have a protection foil. This is the charging port. There is a lanyard hole, and that's the lanyard. Hard plastic cup. Inside you can see the air inlet, the air outlet, and the red light zone. The plastic cup is easily removable, so you can maintain it and wash it, and there is a cotton filter here that protects the machine and also collects all of the impurities during the procedure. Then you can easily put it back. This machine is super innovative because of the dynamic technology. What exactly dynamic cupping technology means? It's better than regular because of the alternation of suction and release, which boosts more efficient blood flow than the normal cupping because it imitates pulsating. Then we have the red light therapy. It's proved around the world that red light helps you the recovery of the skin. It relieves the pain, and even in the expensive cosmetic studios you can get special red light therapy against acne, against pain, against skin conditions. And this little machine here has it all. And there is also the smart massage function. What is smart massage? There are 5 different modes and 5 different intensity levels for each person. Where should you place the cupper? You can also combine this cupper with normal cups, and you can also combine it with the same cupper like this one. I have seen people using 2-3 Achedaway cuppers at the same time on the back of a person during procedure. This is not only for you. This also can be used by professionals who work in studios where cupping has been performed, but you can also have it with yourself. That's why you have the special chain here that you can take it everywhere with you in your bag on the way. The charging time is 2.5 hours. You shouldn't keep it on the charge more than 8 hours, remember that. And each procedure has 12 minutes of duration, then the cupper turns off. What is the most common scenario of using? You have a back pain, neck pain. You know, adults after a certain of age, they receive destruction of the spondyloarthritis, problems with the neck because of the wrong posture, and also the musculoskeletal system is suffering a lot. That's where the cupping takes a place. You just take this beautiful Achedaway cupper and you put it around the area on your neck or on your back. You can also put it after gym, you have soreness. You can also use it after gym, for example. You have soreness on your biceps, on your triceps. You can put the cupper there, and due to the increased blood flow, your condition will get better. The suction intensity varies from -60 to 0 kilopascals. Okay, we went through all of the characteristics of the product. Now it's time to say how to use this product and what are the steps to use. First steps, you should always maintain your machine clean. You should wipe it with a wet wipe. You should remove all of the impurities from previous procedures. Step 2 is to check your cotton filter and the condition of it, and if you need to change it, Achedaway included a couple of them for you into the set. Step 3, you can apply some moisturizing lotion on your skin for better experience. And step 4, you should definitely check the user manual for the conditions that it's prohibited to use the cupper, women during pregnancy and menstrual cycle, patients with malignant tumors, patients with poor coagulation mechanism, severe heart diseases, and so on. There is a list of 7 conditions that this cupper shouldn't be used with. That's why be careful, it's all about your health. Let's try it now. This machine actually works. I'll give you an example. Yesterday I was at hospital on 8-hour shift. Afterwards my back was hurting extremely much, my lower back. After work I decided to try Achedaway Cupper on first mode, a second intensity level, for 12 minutes. After these 12 minutes, yes, I had a bruise, but I was also feeling much better than before that. So I'm extremely happy with this product and I would recommend it to everybody. It's that easy to use and to remove and to maintain. And Achedaway included everything that you need into the set. Every mode is 12 minutes except the fifth one that is for professionals and it's more than 12 minutes, and every mode has a different characteristics. The first one is the most basic one, it's called quick suction and release. The other one has quick suction, slow release, only suction. They're different and you can find more about them in the user manual. If you don't want 12 minutes or if you feel unpleasant, you just remove it, turn it off, and you remove it. Achedaway Cupper is an innovative product that combines the new technology with the ancient medical knowledge. That's why everybody should have at least one of these. And why not more? I have seen many specialists, even in my area, that are using 2, 3, 4, 5 of these Achedaway Cuppers. And let's not forget that I'm almost a doctor. And if I recommend you this, that's actually good for you. Thank you very much for watching. If you stayed till the end of this video, like it and subscribe to my channel for much more interesting content like this. And thank you Achedaway for your cupper and for innovative technology that you help people every day with. Be sure to like and subscribe.